Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes Mini, and here we have a Mini 3-door hatch Cooper exclusive, finished in British Racing Green Metallic. It has 17-inch roulette spoke 2-tone alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a black roof and mirror caps, enhancing the sporty look. It has a top speed of 130 miles per hour, and with 136 horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 8 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Mini Yours leather lounge, carbon black upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. It has an 8.8-inch centre display screen where you can find everything you may need for a journey. And it also has the highly desired Mini head-up display, which displays relevant information to the driver so they don't have to take their eyes off the road. If you're interested in learning more about this Mini 3-door hatch Cooper exclusive, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes Mini.